have my Hobonichi 2024 order over here. I am very excited to get into it. The box wasn't damaged or anything. I just removed the FedEx label on here. The box itself is a beige color. There's this year's quote. Go ahead and remove everything first. So I did not order much this year whatsoever. But yeah, this is I've seen this in boxes. They're adding like craft paper, I guess for extra protection. Okay. And so I will get right into it. It looks very nice already just within the package. I'll go over my purchasing experience from Hobonichi this year a bit later. Pamphlet over here. I'll go over that real quick. It's all in Japanese. Sometimes, well, yeah, sometimes they'll put it in English. There is actually English on the bottom, the translation of what it says in Japanese over here. It's mostly animals. It's mostly cats. Hobonichi really had a cat theme going on this year. They had like so many products with cats on them. So basically, this is the Makino weeks for this year, or for 2024. I just love the detail. I've never had a Makino weeks before, so this is very nice to me. This would be my 3rd weeks. This is the one I've been using all year long. Okay, over here, there's, okay, just information on Tamitaro Makino. Honestly, it looks so nice. And I got the plastic clear cover uncover. I actually want to open this and see how it ends up looking. And I want to say that I did buy from the spring lineup earlier this year, so I do have other Makino products. Okay, so this is what it would look like with the plastic on. Very nice. And I ordered the Japanese version of the weeks. I think the English one, like, in the English version, the April would be a lot larger in text, and so would like the 24. And I like how the Japanese version just has the number and smaller text. Okay, and this is the back of it. This Hobonichi week still uses the old Tomoe River paper, not the Sanzen. I know the other booklets will have the new one. Like the other A6 and Cousins and the Hon, I believe. So these are the bookmarks. Usually I cut these off. I might this year as well. So yeah, it looks very nice. Okay, and then I ordered the A5 weeks. The A5 pencil board. I already have the A6 and the week size. Yeah, this just looks so nice. Next year will be definitely, my entire thing will basically be Makino. This is very nice. I love this. Like, it's just so nice. So these are the 3 different colors. I like how the back is always like so vibrant here. Okay, so I'll go over, and then there's this one. I honestly did not like the color of this pen when I was looking at it online. Okay. I did not like the color of this pen when I was looking at it online. But now that I have it in person, it actually looks quite nice. This brown and this, maybe, I don't know what color this is. Like a grayish green color. Sage-ish color, yeah. But it looks nice. So I might actually use this throughout the year on different things. Okay, and so that's basically my order. Over the spring, I got a bunch of other stuff. This is what I've been kind of using the past few months, but basically, so I obviously didn't need to rebuy anything. But I know they did have it for this lineup. I did give the postcard book over the spring. And so this one over here is the one they used to make the A5 pencil board. The postcard image is definitely a lot more vibrant. But on this one, they actually kept some of his like text and stuff. 6 cover of Makino's work, and I absolutely love this. And then the notebook as well, the A6 notebook, and I use this for notes on gardening and planting, and this is undated. So I probably will use this like on a multi-year basis. And then this is the bigger version, the A5, which I use this for sewing notes basically. So that's what I have. So I already know that I'll be using this next year, but then I have these as well. But yeah, I just love the week so much. This is how it looks side by side with the one I'm currently using. I just love the simplicity, but also like the detail, like how it's drawn in ink. I thought the color change would bother me, but it's actually not so bad. So these 2 things that I bought from Hobonichi directly from their website this year cost me $63 US. $31 or $32 for the products themselves, and $31 for the shipping and handling to the US. I did compare prices to Jet Pens Yosaka Stationery. If I had bought it from there, it would have cost me around $56 with tax and everything. So it would have been $56 versus $63. So like not even a $10 difference. It was like an $8. It's like a $6 difference basically. So it was definitely worth it for me, in my opinion, to just get it directly from Hobonichi. I'm gonna already start using this right away. But obviously with this, I won't be able to start using it until November of this year, right? Let me see if it's the same. It should be the same. Starts from typically the beginning of December. Okay, yeah, November 27th. Okay, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching.